We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.